everyone, it's John Link at Apache Village RV Center. I'm out here in O'Fallon, Missouri at Highway 70 and Highway K, right off Veteran Memorial Parkway, where our new 11-acre facility is really taking shape here. We should have this done and hopefully open for business this fall is the plan. So right now I'm standing in our new service center. We're gonna have 12 bays for pre-delivery inspections, PDI, and service to bring a service center out here to O'Fallon, Missouri, close by a ton of our customers out this direction. The whole building is basically, the footprint is facing the highway over here with our sales office over on this side, service center in the back. We're going to have about 33,000 square feet of space dedicated to serving the community out here and everybody in the surrounding areas with Jayco, Fleetwood, Bontrager Outdoors, Keystone products. So we're gonna have a nice section back here dedicated to parts sales. If you take a look at this, we're gonna have a loading ramp and then parts storage above, up here, above our service center to maximize space. But nice loading dock back here for 18-wheelers to pull back up and unload their inventory. All of these service bays going through here with entrances in the back. We're gonna have PDI back here. Our lot crew and everybody that helps maintain the lot will have an office back here as well. The facility is designed so we'll have all of the technicians stationed and their tools running down the center right here of the entire facility. All of our lines for the air compressors and all that, toolboxes and everything will be right behind here so that we can pull units straight in these bays, service them and get them out quickly. Our service office, when you come by and need to talk with our service advisors, will be over here, right by the front of the building. All the customer parking and entrances to the sales and service will be here. The facility's gonna be absolutely gorgeous. So we're looking at, I believe it's 13,000 square feet right here in the service center, and then an additional 10,000 square feet in our sales and in the main office. Now they haven't poured concrete yet in the office, but I can kind of give you a quick sneak peek here. Facing Highway 70. Whoops. You can see they've already added the roof and everything. This is where our sales offices will be, conference rooms, our main front desk area and all of that. So if things keep going as planned, we're hoping to have, like I said, this open by fall. And we'll have a giant grand opening, obviously, between the two dealerships. We'll be celebrating the opening of this facility, which has been a dream of our families for a very long time. We bought this property back in 2008 and broke ground back in November of 2024. So that's a long time for us to have this property and be drawing up the ideas of what we want this facility to look like. And it's going to be absolutely state-of-the-art, beautiful, beautiful place for customers to come by and shop our products. And we're looking to basically insert ourselves into the local market here in O'Fallon, Missouri, and bring the same level of customer service and dedication to our customers that we've done in Hazelwood for the last 50 years, bring that culture here to O'Fallon, Missouri. So we'll keep updating and doing a little bit as the facility kind of comes together. We're still needing to add a roof here to our shop. This isn't gonna work that well without a roof, I don't think. We don't want your beautiful RVs getting rained on while they're getting worked on. But as this comes together, I want to shoot out a couple more updates to you folks. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. We can't wait to earn your business here in O'Fallon, Missouri. Can't wait to see your smiling faces here this fall. Have a great day.